Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I have this awesome marble fall set for you guys. I hope you can see it from here, but it's so beautiful. I was going to do something else, but I thought to keep it kind of plain. It's just something super simple, but looks like super, glam, and I freaking love it for fall. So I did something a little bit different in this video, and I hope that you guys enjoy. So let's get started. For starters, I'm going to be taking this Canni Gel and 134, and I'm going to be applying this. Here in my light for 30 seconds. Next, I'll be using Light Elegance Main Attraction, and I am going to apply this on my middle finger. Here in my light for 30 seconds. Then on my ring finger, I'm going to go back in with that Canni Gel and my Elegance Main Attraction, and I'm going to be using It's Showtime, and I'm going to be creating that marble nail. To get that beautiful marble effect, I'm going to be using the gel bottle ink, and this is the Blossom Clear top coat. And I'm going to also be using my Light Elegance Just White Buttercreams and my metallic gold to do that beautiful marble nail right there. So here in my light for 30 seconds. These are my final results. If you guys like this look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!